Do you know the intricate structure of the tibia and its primary functions? The tibia, or shin bone, is a marvel of nature's engineering. Nestled in your lower leg, it's a long bone that's designed for weight-bearing and articulation. Its complex structure can be divided into three main sections: the proximal end, the shaft, and the distal end. Each part plays a crucial role in distributing weight, maintaining lower leg stability, and offering attachment points for muscles, essential for leg and foot movement. Now let's delve deeper into each part of the tibia. Starting with the proximal end, or the superior tibia, we find four key features. The medial condyle, a smooth, convex surface, forms the medial aspect of the knee joint by articulating with the femur's medial condyle. Similarly, the lateral condyle, located on the side, articulates with the femur's lateral condyle to form the knee's lateral aspect. Between these condyles is the intercondylar eminence, an elevated area providing attachment sites for cruciate ligaments vital for knee stability. Lastly, we have the tibial tuberosity, a roughened area on the anterior surface. This serves as the attachment point for the patella ligament linking the kneecap to the tibia. That covers the proximal end. Now, onto the shaft. The shaft, or the corpus tibiae, is the long central portion of this bone. Shaped like a prism with a triangular cross-section, it has three distinct borders and surfaces. The anterior border, or crista tibiae, separates the medial and lateral surfaces and serves as an attachment point for muscles. The medial border, palpable as the shin area, divides the medial and posterior surfaces. The interosseous border, on the other hand, splits the lateral and posterior surfaces and attaches the tibia to the fibula via the interosseous membrane. Each surface has its unique role. The medial surface is subcutaneous and attaches to fascial structures. The lateral surface interacts with anterior leg muscles, while the posterior surface faces backward and attaches to posterior leg muscles. That's the shaft. Now, let's move on to the distal end. Finally, we reach the distal end, or the inferior tibia. This part of the tibia houses the medial malleolus, a prominent process that projects downwards, forming the inner aspect of the ankle joint. It articulates with the talus bone, a key player in our ability to walk, run, and jump. Adjacent to it on the lateral side, we find the fibular notch. This groove interacts with the fibula, forming a syndesmosis joint, which is a slightly mobile joint that provides flexibility and stability to our ankles. Lastly, we have the tibial articular surface, the inferior surface of the distal tibia. This smooth, concave surface articulates with the talus bone, forming the weight-bearing tibio-talar joint of the ankle. This joint is responsible for transferring the weight of the entire body to the foot. That concludes our journey through the tibia, a crucial bone in the human body intricately designed for weight distribution, stability, and movement.